Oh yeah, Scott here. So as far as I've got so far is the anti-roll bar and steering racks on, and the brake discs. Just got the diff in to make a start on that, resealing it. There's just two seals, one either side and one on the front, flange seal, and then the gasket. It's really annoying, but there's no drain bung, so I've had to undo the filler bung and tip it over. But so I might put a drain bung in it. It's got a casting for it, but it's never been drilled and tapped, so for some reason. Anyway, I've got a mail call. I'm just going to put you down on my highfalutin tripod because I need to charge up the battery. Okay, so this gentleman, he's the master of metal. He's a grinding guru. The welding king. And he comes from Canada. You guessed yet? Oh, he's got the biggest sticker in the world. Okay, look at that big bad boy. Ontario. Undergroundauto1. Anybody who's not checking him out, you are honestly missing out. He's a very interesting chap. He's got wonderful family, nice relationship with his kids, his daughters, and his grandchildren now. So go and check him out. He's top bloke, and you will definitely learn a thing or two about welding, bodywork in general. So, and he's funny, so get on and check him out. He almost needs a wall on his own with this huge sticker, but it's great. I've been watching him for 2-3 years probably. So HPR, just want to say thank you very much for your sticker. Thank you very much for putting your videos up. You've been through a lot lately and you're still putting videos up, so good on you, mate. Appreciate it. A lot of us learn off of you, so I'll just get your sticker up. So there you go. Yeah, definitely go and check him out. He's an awesome fella. Knows what he's doing. So you'll definitely learn something off that fella, as you will most of these geezers on here. Christopher did a wicked job of bringing his wife's car back to life recently. So yeah, go and check them all out. Gonna get this little pineapple, turnip, melon or diff stripped down. It's nice and quiet, there's nothing wrong with it, it's just leaks. It leaks, doesn't need a drain bung, to be honest. It's self-purging at the moment anyway. So yeah, got some somewhere or other, I've got some seals for it, so oh, here they are. So we've got some modern lip seals and a gasket for it, so we'll get on with that, get it painted, get it back on. Alright guys, see you in a bit. Okay, little shafts out, seals are in behind here. and front pinion the flange come off, so all looking good so far. There's no step in there, so that's good. So it's just a matter of I'll just take the front off, or the casing off the back, and then clean out the casing, and then sling it back together. Oh, look at that little cutie. Well, it's got lovely teeth. No odd marks, it's lovely. It feels super smooth, super slick. So, all's good in there. It's just a reseal, clean up. I'll give it a wash out and wash the bearings out, and then get some clean oil into them, and then we'll be laughing. Okay, last video of the day. Everything stripped and cleaned and ready for paint. That's just getting some rust treatment on it at the moment. So this is the little side shafts that go in there, and basically the seal carrier, and the bearing, some little spring clips, and the little shafts. So they're not a mega tight fit. They pull off quite easily. So that's it really. Just a case now of sticking it back together with the new seals and giving it a lick of paint. Thanks HPR. Hope you're doing good. Cheers everybody. Thanks for subscribing and watching and commenting. We'll catch up with you next time. Cheers guys. Hi, Scott here. I was going to put this video up, but when I was painting on Sunday, when I was painting the diff, I noticed a very weird thing happen, which is the paint disappeared and basically showed up a crack, which is there. Look, can you see it? It's quite obvious now the paint's on it. I didn't spot it before, but it's a definite crack. It goes very nearly all the way through on one side of it, but not quite all the way through on the other side. You can't really see it, but there's a one or two. There is a very faint line in the inside. So yeah, I've got to capture that crack before it before I put it back together, because these basically I've got these are the bushes that go into those into the house in there, and they're solid metallastic bushes, and you've kind of got to push them in quite hard to get them to go in. So all that's going to do is not help my crack situation. So I'm going to prepare it and weld it with a well, we call them sudochrome D rod, which is a rod for dissimilar and whatever. And I'll show you what goes on with that tomorrow when I take it to work. I'm going to use a stick welder, and I've only got a stick welder at work, so yeah. So that was a bit of a rascal finding that, but hey ho, it's all fun, isn't it? Righto folks, there's no going back now, look. So we've got pretty much a 45 and a 45, so we're ready to go. It's just a matter of I'll get some of the parts off that I don't want melted, and we'll get to it.
No, not yet. What about on that side?
Got one on there, shall we?
Yeah, I think so.
What I'll do is let that cool down on the phone now, and hopefully that'll be done. No, I've just dressed it. There's a little slab dimple there, but I'm not too excited about it. It's one piece again, so get some paint on it now.